To connect your Juniper Geode external GPS device for use by the PCS Field Data Collector app, first, launch the iOS settings by pressing the Settings button. On the Settings window, press the Bluetooth button on the left-hand side. Your Juniper Geode should populate in the list of available devices. When you see the device, press it to pair. Now return to the home screen of your iOS device and launch the PCS Field Data Collector app. When the PCS Field Data Collector app is open, on the left-hand side of the screen you will see a gear button. Press this button to enter the Settings window. On the Settings window, press the Connections tab. On the Connections tab, press the GPS tab. Hit the Refresh button to refresh the list of available devices. Your Geode should populate in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Press this button to pair the device to the app. Your Juniper Geode external GPS device is now connected with the PCS Field Data Collector app.